very proud of my daddy's name. Although his kind of music mine ain't exactly the same. If I'm down in a honky tonk, some old drunk trying to give me the business, I said, leave me alone, I'm just carrying on an old family tradition. And don't you ask me, hey, why do you drink? Why do you roll slow? Why must you live out songs that you wrote? Over and over, everybody makes my prediction. If I get stoned and sing all night long, it's a family tradition. One of you boys